Hi guys, this is Joe. I have a leak. Well, first, to determine that I had a leak, I've been smelling some moldy smells in the bathroom. So obviously it's from water getting where it shouldn't be. And this started occurring after I insulated the floors. So presumably the leak was leaving and then I insulated the floors and now the leak can't dry out. So it started smelling. So I'll try to show you guys exactly what's going on. Looked at a few different places. In here is my water supply closet in the bathroom. So we got hot water tank, expansion tank, manifold, shut off for the hot water heater. And then here's the access for the shower. And I made it so that this entire panel here is removable. So anything in here could be serviced. And I left a cutout around the drain too. So around this drain, I cut a hole and there's a box down there. I'll show you a picture of what is below from before I insulated. And I look in here, I don't see anything wet immediately, but then I look in the bottom of the box there. Let me get there's not a whole lot of room here. See that? Water. There's water in there. So I have to work on getting that cleaned up. Let's get the water out. I'm using a smaller piece of PVC and I'm just going to stick it in the tube here and use my hand as a grommet. And let's see how much water was in there. Well, that's some water, for sure. Okay, I have a 16-inch drill bit on a 12-inch extension. Let's see what we can do. If anything at all. I'm going to try to get the back corners first. That's not... Oh. That's not gonna work either. Back in there. I just need one reference point. I think I might be able to make that work. Okay. We're through. Okay. There we go. Here's the hole that I just drilled, and I know it's in the back corner, so everything would be here on this side of it. I'm going to drill or cut a small hole and see where everything is and then expand the hole. It would appear that the trap at the bottom is leaking somehow. I'll grab my camera and show you guys. See that there? It looks dirty. So I have to repair that. I had inadvertently created a bathtub. You can see the water line there, way up in there. And that's where the mold smell is coming from. And we can see the drain there is still dripping. And I can tell it's coming from, I can see closely there's a stream of water coming down right there. So, yeah, I don't know why it's doing that. Because I'm gonna have to clean this up and see where it's leaking, and maybe I'll have to disassemble this, which shouldn't be too easy. We can see water coming down from over here, and then there's also a drip coming down right there too, you can see. So it's clearly got a significant leak. I don't know if I somehow maybe missed that glue joint or something. So I'm gonna have to cut this here and see if I can wiggle it down, if that's the case. That should make it easier to repair, but it sucks that I missed the glue joint. That's why people will pressure test their systems now, but the inspector did not require us to do that, and I just relied on myself to glue every joint. Yeah, see that right there? Somebody forgot to glue that joint. Who could that have been? And so that this could be accessed in the future, I just caulked in a piece of foam. Very easy to rip that back out. And I have these boards here that I've cut and removed once already. So I'm going to put those back up with a cap. So that's fixed. Yay me.